A huge signal has just been discovered by Coinbase. More over 3 years have passed since we last witnessed anything comparable. Also, a major update to the ecosystem was just provided by Shiba Inu. Is it possible that the bull season has officially begun? We are incredibly excited and feel like we are about to do something monumental. But what is happening here in reality? Let's break it all down. Warning, 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 asterisk. Empty space, empty space. You shouldn't take this as financial advice, it's only supposed to be informational. Yesterday, the cryptocurrency community celebrated a major milestone as the market finally saw some green. Following such a long fall, every rise feels massive, even though the pump wasn't really large. Why is this shift happening? The move by the Federal Reserve to cut interest rates by 50 basis points in 4 days has already given the markets a boost of optimism. What is this rate cut so important? Whenever the Federal Reserve announces a reduction in interest rates, borrowing costs tend to fall. Because of this, investment and consumption are encouraged, which often causes more money to flow into riskier assets like cryptocurrency. The general public tends to see cryptocurrencies favorably and buy more of them when traders anticipate a flood of capital entering the market. It's like adding fuel to a fire that has been gently burning for several weeks. According to the rules of supply and demand, this might be the perfect catalyst for a dramatic increase in the market. The developers working on Shiba Inu have just unveiled a major update, so the timing is perfect. More optimism, self-confidence, and the aforementioned update result from the rapid dissemination of good news in a green market. Shiba Inu's testnet, Puppetnet, is about to go through major adjustments that might alter the ecosystem in a fundamental way. One of the big changes to Puppetnet, the Cancun hard fork deployment, was revealed on Friday. Important to Shiba Inu's growth are the expected improvements to the user experience, storage efficiency, and transaction times brought about by this update. Instead of being just a meme coin, the project was now a real contender in the cryptocurrency market with real technical backing thanks to these changes. For what reasons is Puppetnet crucial? Being a testnet allows developers to refine the system before launching it to the public. The ability to experiment on testnets without putting real value at risk makes them indispensable. With Puppetnet, the Shiba Inu team ensures a seamless rollout of these updates on the live network, positioning the initiative for long-term success. This is the year's second major update. Cancun hard fork is an attempt to make Shiba Inu more user-friendly, secure, and fast. According to Lucy and other notable community members, these changes are crucial to the growth and efficiency of the network, highlighting their importance. Instead of just riding the wave of excitement, Shiba Inu is laying the framework for a long-term future in the blockchain space with these improvements. From here on out, things are going to get much more interesting. Upgrade to one Coinbase plan. An unusually encouraging sign has emerged, which may herald the return of key players to the market. It has been years since we last saw this indication, which has always come before major rallies. Coinbase Premium tracks the spread between the price of Bitcoin on Coinbase and other exchanges. When the premium shrinks, it's usually an indication that institutional buyers in the US are getting in on the action. Bitcoin hit an all-time high the previous time this happened. The premium chart on Coinbase is showing what analysts are calling a triangle convergence at the moment. This pattern suggests that a significant price increase could be on the horizon. Traders often refer to it as a bullish flag. The convergence was initially noticed by a cryptoquant analyst who also noted that a like pattern had developed during the prior bull market just prior to Bitcoin's meteoric rise. In what ways does this matter? Institutional demand is a good indicator of a rising market. The market's growing confidence is often signaled when significant players step in, setting off a chain reaction in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. If Bitcoin goes up, the rest of the market, including Shiba Inu, is likely to go up with it. Adding to the upward momentum, market analyst Ryoshi has highlighted many crucial signals that suggest Shiba Inu could be ready for a breakout. The daily chart for Shiba Inu reveals a narrowing of the Bollinger Bands, which is a common indicator of a market lull before a storm. This kind of shrinkage usually happens just before big price adjustments, either up or down. Based on CryptoChi's research, the Shiba Inu's Relative Strength Index RSI is at its lowest level this year. If the Relative Strength Index RSI is low, it could mean that the market is oversold and drawing bargain hunters. A rally would be perfect if prices rose due to this boost in demand. Additionally, the bullish case was bolstered by the fact that the 4-hour chart for Shiba Inu displayed a V-shaped recovery pattern. There appears to a lot of buying activity at lower levels, and the pattern suggests that the token has a solid support base. It seems that the community is ready to step in. When prices drop in July, there was a sharp drop followed by a similarly strong recovery for Shiba Inu. For this bullish momentum to materialize, Shiba Inu must first break above a critical trend line. If the token manages to achieve its goal, we could see a dramatic increase in its value that propels it to unprecedented levels. The market seems to be setting up for a breakout. What with Shiba Inu and Bitcoin sending strong signals, Shibarium's noteworthy upgrades, and the predicted significant cuts from the Fed, Shiba Inu is well positioned to take advantage of what might be a game-changing innovation in the cryptocurrency market. The most important question is, are you ready for the future? The market can turn in an instant, and those who are prepared to capitalize on it will reap the greatest rewards. To what extent does this affect you? Feel free to share your thoughts with me by posting a comment down below. If you're interested, you may find out more by clicking on one of the videos on your screen. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, leave a comment, and share it. With this, YouTube's algorithm will be much improved. The time has come to spread the word.